Hey guys, I just want to really quickly give some context to this video before I start. When I first got into YouTube and I first started watching YouTube videos and making them and stuff, I came across Casey Neistat, who is one of the really big creators on YouTube. Over 1,000 videos, 12 million subscribers, and I reckon I watched every single video. In my opinion, Casey's real, I suppose, strong point, what he did really well was he has the ability to take a story about almost anything and turn it into something captivating that people want to watch and can't click away. I watched him time and time again on the channel, you know, do mediocre tasks or things and just portray it and tell a story in a way that just left you wanting more. So in December, I'm scrolling through the internet and I come across a 30-day filmmaking school of Casey Neistat's. So, you know, designed by him with him as the teacher, I suppose. And it goes without saying, I had to be a part of this. Like, it was something I just had to do. So, we're up to day 12. I've just finished my first project, which is what this video is. I had to just go and find something, I suppose, just in my normal everyday life and then try and make a captivating, interesting video about it. I chose Boot Hill at the Upper Allyn. I didn't want to take the boat out and I didn't want to go hiking or anything because I've made a lot of them videos. I want to kind of challenge myself to pick something new and make a video about something a bit different. So anyway, I chose Boot Hill. Here's the story. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. I'll catch you later. Cheers. How many shoes do you reckon are actually on this fence? So, a bit of context. Boot Hill, it started off as a sign and just a couple of shoes that the owners had actually put, you know, on the fence on the side of the road. And then over time, now it's grown to, you know, a couple of kilometres long and probably thousands of pairs of shoes. I have decided this story is more important than work today, and we're going to go and have a look. So I've left work on this bit of an adventure to check out this thing, and look at this. How many shoes do you reckon are actually on this fence? Let's have a look from the air. You can just see it. Crashing this drone's really starting to become a bit of a thing. She's all good. So this place is that well known here, it's even on Google Maps as Boot Hill. I couldn't find much about this on Google, but I've been coming up here my whole life and it's been here for as long as I can remember. It is absolutely crazy, and I would be lying to say I haven't left a few pairs of shoes on here myself. I also left a Corona once. I left a beer bottle up here once, which I've walked the whole fence 4 times today and I cannot find this Corona. I'm assuming somebody has drank it. Oh crap.